Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me teach you how can you use ChatGPT on mobile, whether you are on Android or iOS. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So ChatGPT is basically an AI that helps you in any field of study or area. If you are searching for ChatGPT guys itself, this will not work because it will not redirect you to the site itself. It is just their blog site right here. So to be able to access the site itself, you just have to type in this website chat.openai.com, as you can see here, and over here you just have to log in. So it will say that the sign up or login button, so you can go ahead and sign up if you don't have an account yet, and just proceed to log in if you have already an account. So when you log in, this will show you the homepage of ChatGPT, and as you can see here, this is how it looks like. So for example, we want to uh, in my video, so for example we want that just to see it is working guys. So as you can see, and for example we want to uh, like that, just an example guys, like that. So okay guys, that is how you can easily access or use ChatGPT on your mobile. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.